This is question number 3 in the November 2014 non-calculator paper. So let's read the question. It says, here are the heights in centimeters of 18 children. So you have the heights over here. Show this information in an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So this should be a pretty standard question, and you should be able to do this without a problem. Now the stem and leaf diagram, they've given you the grid further down the page, and there's this big gap here. And in this gap, what they expect you to do is to create a rough stem and leaf diagram that's not ordered, and then expect you, sometimes some people actually go straight to the grid at the bottom and they put them in ordered. Often people make mistakes doing that. A good tip is to actually create a rough one in the space that they provided and then put it in order at the bottom. So we're going to do that. All right, so looking at this, I'm going to first produce a key. I'll put the key towards the bottom end of this so I could use it for both. I'm going to write key, and the key is such that the first number, I'm going to pick 98, is equal to 998. Okay, so 9, the tens are in the stem, the units are in the leaves part. Okay, so the first bit, if I look at the data itself, the smallest number in that set of data is 84. The largest number in that data set is 115. So my stem is going to go 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, the leaves part is what I pick up from these numbers here. So starting off, I have 84. Then looking at the rest of the 80s, I have 88 there. Then 89 there. And just to check that I haven't missed any of the 80s, I've got them all, and they're in order here. So I didn't expect them to be in order, but they are in order. All right, the next one, let's have a look. If I go through it systematically, 98, 90, 91, 91, 97 and 93, 90, 95 and 92. Okay, I'm just doing a quick check. I haven't missed any there. So in the hundreds, I have 102, 108, 110 doesn't belong in that set. I have 103 and 106. Okay, so I've got them all there. And then finally, everything from 110 upwards, so 110, that's going to have a 0 there, and 115. Just check that I've crossed out all of them. And now I'm going to do a quick count to make sure that I have 18 numbers in the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got 18 numbers in the leaves. Now I'm actually going to put that information into the grid that they provided me. Okay, so it's just off the grid there. I'll move up and down between them. So first of all, the stem has 8, 9, 10, and 11. I'm going to put them in order. So looking at what's in the leaves above, for the 80s, I've got 4, 8, and 9. I'm going to write those in. They're in order already. 4, 8, and 9. For the numbers in the 90s, I've got 0, 0, 1, 1. I'll put those in. 0, 0, 1, 1. I'm trying to make sure that they're spaced out in columns. Then I've got 2, 3, 5, and 7, and 8. Okay, so I'll put those in. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Okay. Then I'm going to look at the 10s. I've got 2, 3, 6, and 8. 2, 3, 6, and 8. And finally, in the 110s, I've got 0 and 5. So there's my ordered stem and leaf diagram. There are 3 marks for this question. 1 mark definitely for the key. Make sure you explicitly show the key, and then make sure that your final stem and leaf diagram, the numbers are in order. You've got all 18 of them, right, and you're able to get full marks in this. This is a very, very straightforward question. You shouldn't be getting this wrong at all.